Think about any construction project you've ever seen. A single-family home going up on a lot, a new hospital wing breaking ground, a highway interchange being rebuilt over 3 years. They look completely different, different scales, different budgets, different teams. But every single one of them moves through the same 6 phases. Every time, without exception. That's what this video is about. By the end of this video, you'll be able to name those 6 phases, explain what happens in each one, and identify who is responsible at every stage. Let's dive in. Here are the 6 phases. Read them as I say them. Phase 1, feasibility. Phase 2, programming and design. Phase 3, bidding and award. Phase 4, pre-construction and mobilization. Phase 5, construction. Phase 6, closeout and occupancy. Now notice the ownership bar underneath the phases. Phases 1 and 2 are owner-led. The owner is driving every decision. Phases 4 through 6 are contractor-led. The contractor is running the show. Phase 3, bidding and award, is the critical handoff. Keep that ownership shift in mind. It's a key concept you'll see play out on every project. Phase 1 is feasibility. It answers one fundamental question: should we build this at all? The owner leads this phase entirely. No architect has been hired yet. No contractor is involved. The owner figures out if this project makes sense financially, legally, and physically. Activities include site analysis, preliminary cost estimating, and zoning review. The outcome is a go or no-go decision, an initial budget, and a project goals document. If feasibility says the numbers don't work, the project stops here. That's the point. It's far cheaper to kill a bad project in feasibility than after 3 years of construction. Phase 2 is programming and design. The goal is to translate the owner's vision into drawings the contractor can actually build from. The owner still leads, but now the architect is in the picture. The AE firm produces 3 levels of drawings: schematic design, design development, and construction documents. This is also where value engineering happens. The design team asks, can we get the same result for less money? And if a CM at risk is hired early, they conduct constructability reviews. They flag anything difficult to build. Better to fix a drawing than a mistake in the field. Phase 3 is bidding and award. This is the handoff. The owner issues bid documents or a request for proposals. Contractors respond. The owner evaluates them, interviews candidates, and selects one. They negotiate price, schedule, and scope, then execute the agreement. The outcome is a signed prime contract and a notice to proceed. After this phase, control shifts. The contractor is now in the driver's seat for everything on site. Phase 4 is pre-construction and mobilization, and it is probably the most undervalued phase in the entire life cycle. No one is swinging a hammer yet. But everything that determines success is decided now. The contractor is procuring subs, building the CPM schedule, and setting up the submittal and RFI process. The mobilization piece is literal. Trailers go up, fencing goes up, temporary power gets connected. The outcome is a project resourced and ready to build. Phase 5 is construction. This is the one everyone pictures: the cranes, the concrete, the workers. The contractor is responsible for means and methods. The CM manages cost, schedule, and quality on behalf of the owner. The architect answers RFIs and observes the work to verify it matches the drawings. Every week there is an OAC meeting to review the schedule, budget, and open issues. Change orders get processed. Pay applications get reviewed. This phase ends at substantial completion. The building is ready for its intended use. There may be a punch list, but the owner can move in. Phase 6 is closeout and occupancy. The goal is to complete everything the contract requires and hand the building over to the owner. The contractor finishes the punch list. The building gets its C of O. The contractor delivers as-built drawings and O&M manuals. Retainage is released. The contract is closed, but the building's life has just begun. These 6 phases give you a framework for understanding any project. Open the Module 2 activity and let's keep learning.